Hello my YouTube friends, it's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today, right now, super excited coming to you from the new Short-Term Rental University studio. Now I know it doesn't look like much, but I want you to use your imagination and think forward. This is going to be fantastic. We're investing in our future, in you, in sharing more information about Airbnb, hosting, and short-term rentals, and entrepreneurship, and so on. So much so that we've taken the space down for 12 months. We did a little poll in the Facebook group. The noise that you may be hearing is coming from next door. We have 5 electricians over there. We're preparing our crypto mining operations, which has nothing to do with this channel, don't worry, but just pardon the noise. The point is, there's a lot of really great things happening. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. A little over a year ago, what Charles, maybe 15 months or so ago, we started in my Soho brownstone just filming at my desk. Shortly thereafter, we moved to a dedicated studio in my apartment in 5th Avenue. Really cool, we did a lot of great work there, but it was a small little space. Now, we've got unlimited space, perhaps too much space, but it's my task to make this place super cool, super creative, filled with excitement. I want to welcome authors, podcasts, video people. Charles flew here from New York. Now I think he's having a great time. Jackson's a terrific place to be. So I'm really excited. I know it doesn't look like much, but just trust me, the best is yet to come. We're investing in our future for us together, for all of us, the community, and I just couldn't be more excited. Charles, you like it? He loves it, all right. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. It's a quick update. It doesn't look like much, but watch. We're gonna make this place super cool. In fact, maybe you guys will come out here and check it out. We're gonna keep you updated. In the meantime, we have a lot of work to do. I'm gonna go next door, make sure the electricians are doing their thing. Charles and I are filming more stuff at my condo. I mean, I have just so many different projects going on, and he's here to help document it, create content, educate all of us. It's just great. I feel lucky, I feel appreciative, very grateful, but mostly grateful for your attention and your time and all the great comments and the likes and so on. So if you're feeling good and you want to share a little bit of love, I'd love the thumbs up on the video. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, now's the time. I mean, you can see we're investing in it, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Charles put that little alert with the bell so they know exactly where to go for notifications. And I just want to say thank you very much. Stay tuned. It's happening.